What makes Jamaicans so fast?
We were brought here from Africa to work on plantations. And enough how we run way from the plantation to the hills. And we call ourselves the Maroons. You see them frequent running there? I eating our jeans. Yeah man, that's why we're so fast. We have to run from the white man, you know. We have to very fast run from the white man and then dog, you know.
Set off and running, great start for Including. Also trying to go to the referee, comes again, now is running. Including on the counter, taking joins here. It's Including, look at the time! Look at that time, ladies and gentlemen, for your viewing pleasure. Positive 0.3 meters per second. 9.99! Only the third man.
Every Olympics since 2004, on the women's 100, they have all been won by a Jamaican woman. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce twice, and then Elaine Thompson twice. Both of them are competing. This is going to be Shelly-Ann Fraser's last Olympics as well. She's 38 years old, and she's still out here probably going to run a sub-11 time, which is unbelievable. She actually has more longevity in world medals than Usain Bolt does. Jamaica, as a country, I think a lot of people don't realize, track and field is their #1 sport. That's their thing.
Have you ever wondered why such a small island nation consistently produces some of the fastest humans on the planet? Why year after year do Jamaican sprinters dominate global track and field, especially at the Olympics? It is a question that has fascinated sports enthusiasts and scientists alike. And in this video today, we're going to dive deep into the captivating story of Jamaica's sprinting prowess, exploring the unique blend of genetics, culture, and environment that fuels their remarkable success. Get ready to uncover the secrets behind the speed. But before we get started, if you enjoy learning about the fascinating sports stories and the science behind athletic achievements, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. And remember to keep your comments respectful. And of course, subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations of the world of sports. Now, let us take a look at some footage showcasing the incredible talent we are talking about. Stay tuned, because after these clips, we'll break down all the factors that contribute to Jamaica's reign on the track.
Jamaica is just a small tropical island, yet it has produced an insane number of gold medal sprinters. So why are they so fast? Well, it comes down to genetics, specifically something called the founder effect, the loss of genetic variation that occurs when a new population is established by a very small number of individuals from a larger population. You see, most Jamaicans are descended from a small group of West African tribesmen brought to the island as slaves. This little group happened to have a particularly high incidence of two genes: the 577 RR variant of the ACTN3 gene, which helps fast-twitch muscles generate strong contractions, and the D allele variant of the ACE gene, which makes it more likely for one to have a larger-sized heart. And since most Jamaicans are descended from this small population, you see an unusually high incidence of both genes in Jamaican people today. Add a strong culture of track and field training, and you get the fastest island in the world.
Coach like Glen Mills, no matter how old you are, you're going to feel like a child around him, because man make sure say you do the right thing. Even if him know say you're at this age, him still going to remind you over and over, and him check up on you and make sure say get up on the right path.
Why I think Jamaicans are so fast. See, there are actually an insane number of articles on explanations and people's theories to why such a small country produces so many of the fastest people on the planet. I'm not gonna lie, I've read a lot of them, and I see things that I agree with in all those articles, and I see things that I don't agree with all those articles. So I'm gonna give you my 5 reasons to why I think Jamaicans and Caribbeans in general, but mainly Jamaicans, are so fast. Number 1, genetics. Jamaican population is full of West African genes. Not only that, but there's also a good mix of other genes. So it's not fully West African, but you have a little bit of white, little bit of Asian even. And like, you know, it's always good to have a mixed genome with a little bit of a priority in one. Basically, this means that they get all the fast twitch fibers and all the long tendon, long limb stuff of the West African population, but then they also get good endurance capabilities and qualities that you see out of different populations like East Africans and white people and things like that. Number 2, diet, fruits and vegetables, which are high in antioxidants, clean water, and meat. It's a winning formula. That's all I'm going to say. It's a winning formula. 3 is climate. The climate there is perfect for sprinting. I just want to let you know. It's so humid down there. Works your aerobic system way better than it would in a less humid area. And it's hot. You will always run faster no matter who you are in hot and humid climates. Number 4 is going to be kind of weird, but it's dancing. See, Jamaica and other Caribbean countries have a culture of dancing. Dancing from a young age, dancing all the time, dancing is just a part of the culture. And you're like, okay, yeah, cool, they dance, whatnot, that's cool. But dancing and having the ability to dance is underrated. It gives you an ability to control your body on a minor level at will to external cues and external signals, which is exactly what you do when you sprint. Hip mobility comes more easily. Coordination comes a lot more easily as well. Dancing is underrated, I'm telling you. And last but not least, number 5, the culture in Jamaica allows for a lot of walking. This goes hand in hand with dancing, but really, when you walk a lot, you do develop an ability to run and go at higher speeds just a little bit better than others do.
Welcome back, and I hope those clips gave you a taste of the electrifying speed and incredible talent that the Jamaican sprinters bring to the global stage. Now, let's delve into the multifaceted reasons behind this extraordinary dominance. As we saw in the initial summary, it's a fascinating combination of historical factors, deeply ingrained cultural elements, genetic predispositions, and a unique system for nurturing athletic talents. One compelling theory revolves around Jamaica's history. The narrative suggests that the experience of slavery, where running was sometimes necessary for survival and escape, think of the Maroons who fled plantations, has contributed to a legacy of fast running. This is not just about physical ability. It is a declaration of pride, legacy, and even freedom, deeply sewn into the fabric of Jamaican life. From the hardship of the sugarcane fields to the city trucks, the impact of running carries a profound historical weight. Furthermore, the socio-economic realities of Jamaica play a significant role, because for many young people, sprinting offers a tangible pathway to a better future, providing opportunities for scholarships and financial liberation. This hunger creates a drive unmatched in more privileged environments, pushing athletes to run like your life depends on it entirely, because for some it truly does. Beyond history, Jamaica boasts a vibrant culture that is inextricably linked to track and field. It is not just a pastime, it is their #1 sport and a national obsession. This passion is evident from the ground up, particularly within the school system. The annual Inter-Secondary Boys and Girls Championships is a spectacle unlike any other. Imagine a national stadium in Kingston transformed into a roaring cauldron of excitement, all for teenage athletes. Champs, quote unquote, isn't just a competition. It is a national audition where raw talent is spotted, honored, and propelled in towards greatness. The fact that 15-year-olds are observed running Olympic qualifying times, cheered on by 30,000 passionate fans, speaks volume by itself. These young athletes feel like national heroes even before they finish high school, fostering an unparalleled level of dedication and ambition. The guidance of exceptional coaches is another crucial element. Mentors like Francis Stevens and Glen Mills are household names in Jamaica and the wider athletics world. They are the architects of a renowned training system that prioritizes natural running mechanics, unwavering mental toughness, and a strong spiritual foundation. Crucially, they nurture talent without pushing young athletes to nearly burnout, a common pitfall in larger, more resource-rich nations. Coach Mills' emphasis on doing the right thing and staying on the right path highlights the holistic approach to athlete development. Interestingly, cultural practices like dancing from a young age also contribute significantly to this. And I think this might seem unexpected, but dance develops crucial physical attributes for sprinting, including exceptional body control, hip mobility, and coordination. Similarly, a culture that encourages extensive walking builds a natural foundation for endurance and speed. The strong community support system in Jamaica plays a vital role, offering encouragement rather than undue pressure. Coupled with deeply spiritual outlook, this fosters inner confidence and resilience in athletes. Moreover, the intensely competitive local environment where being fast is simply expected helps to make sprinting feel like second nature. At the heart of Jamaica's success lies a distinct national mindset. It's characterized by boldness, a spirit of rebellion against limitations, and a profound self-belief. Jamaican athletes do not just run to win, they run to prove to the world that greatness can emerge from anywhere, regardless of modest beginnings, underfunded schools, rugged training tracks, or even homemade equipment. As one of the speakers in our videos aptly put it, this spirit, I quote, cannot be measured in lap tests or split times. Jamaica's sprinting dominance is fueled by heart heritage, hunger, and the undying belief that no matter how small you are, if you believe you are the best, just might be. While cultural and historical factors are crucial, genetics also play a significant role. The founder effect is a key concept here. And the majority of Jamaicans are descendants of a relatively small group of West African individuals brought to the island as slaves. This limited initial gene pool led to a reduction in genetic diversity, meaning a certain genetic traits became unusually common in the subsequent population. This ancestral group happened to have a high prevalence of specific genes advantageous for sprinting. The 577R variant of the ACTNN3 gene is one such example. This variant is associated with the production of a protein that enhances the function of fast-twitch muscle fibers, which are essential for generating the powerful contractions needed for sprinting. Another significant gene is the DAL variant of the ACE gene, which increases the likelihood of an individual having a larger heart size, improving cardiovascular performance. Due to the founder effect, these beneficial gene variants are found at a higher rate in the Jamaican population compared to many other populations. Furthermore, the mixed of genome of the Jamaican population, which includes a strong presence of West African genes, along with contributions from European and Asian ancestry, provides a unique combination of physical attributes. Well, I hope you all knew this. Okay, the West African genetic heritage often contributes to fast-twitch muscle fibers and advantageous long tendon or limb structures, ideal for explosive speeds. Meanwhile, genetic contributions from other populations may offer benefits in terms of endurance capabilities. Environmental advantages, this is another key factor beyond the genetics and culture. Jamaica's environment also provides certain advantages. And a nutrient-rich natural diet abundant in fruits, vegetables, which are high in antioxidants and clean water, supports optimal athletic development. The island's ideal climate, characterized by humidity and heat, is also beneficial. Humidity can enhance the aerobic system, while hot, humid conditions are generally associated with faster running times. Then we have lifestyle factors such as the ingrained dancing culture, and a culture that encourages a lot of walking contributes to the development of physical attributes crucial for sprinting. And then there is the access to high altitude training zones in areas like Mandeville also provides an added advantage for cardiovascular conditioning. Jamaica, and then there is the Jamaica's unique talent nurturing system, and Jamaica is one of the countries that has developed highly effective systems for identifying and nurturing exceptional athletic talents, particularly in sprinting. And this is the system that is deeply rooted in its national culture and infrastructure. As we have discussed it about earlier, it all starts in the Jamaican school system, where track and field holds a place for paramount importance. The champs, serves as the primary mechanism for identifying promising young talents. This annual event is more than just a school competition. It is a national spectacle and a crucial talent identification platform. The intensity and the high level of competition at Champs provides a unique environment for raw speed to be discovered and refined. The experience of competing in front of massive crowds and achieving remarkable times at such a young age instills a deep sense of belief and ambition. The role of experienced and dedicated mentors like Steve Francis and Glen Mills cannot be overstated. They have developed training methodologies that emphasize natural talent, mental fortitude, and a holistic approach to athlete development, ensuring longevity and sustained success rather than early peaks and burnout. The ability to spot potential and nurture it effectively is a cornerstone of Jamaica's sprinting program. And finally, the competitive local environment fosters a continuous improvement when when being fast is the norm. It pushes you as an athlete to strive for greater speeds and excellence, coupled with the powerful motivation derived from socioeconomic factors where sprinting represents a genuine opportunity for upward mobility. This creates a relentless drive to succeed, the unique Jamaican mindset of boldness and self-belief, the conviction that they can achieve greatness regardless of their background, ties everything together. It is this intangible spirit combined with tangible factors that continues to propel Jamaica to the forefront of global sprinting. Good people, as we've come to the end of this video, what do you think about it? Do you think that Jamaica has, due to the factors that I have mentioned, do you think that Jamaica stands or has an upper hand in sprinting compared to other countries? Because I come from a country where we value athletics so much. Our country, I come from Kenya, our country values sports so much. I think the best long distance runners in the world right now, they come from Kenya. Since I was born, it's been 20 years plus. Kenya has been on the charts. So I think there is a correlation between Kenya and Jamaica when it comes to athletics. So tell me what you think down in the comments below, and remember to keep your comments respectful, not to me but also the creators of the videos we've just reacted from. Thank you for watching. Like this video so that the YouTube algorithm can be favorable to it and it can be suggested to like-minded people like you as much as possible. If you want us to become a family and become a community, remember to subscribe to this channel, and most importantly, turn on post notifications so that you don't miss out on any of our next deep dives.